Hey y'all, coming to you live. Back when I had the Sound of Light live stream for a couple weeks at noon on Thursdays, MST, and here I am at 12:30, and I'm in this amazing studio that I have on my property that is unfinished, and it just has such cool acoustics that I thought it matched up. I also have my sweet little son Elysium, so he might be in the background, but I want to sing some light language, maybe speak, maybe translate for y'all, and just see what comes through. So if you're watching now or on replay, go ahead and just get comfortable, open your heart space, relax, release, and receive. I set the intention for this transmission to be in perfect harmony, at one with Source, within and without, all through. Aho. Asani masani apatora finaga inashore hama ranito katsi Suamium che affario soe hai mananati aturabia oheam mea hue halano e amahayano rarikavi Sanudam meharam yokabriyana ho yorakrivana ho yarana yesaya ho yawaya shamanam beheya Tishano tonight don't white and an Beshno na mamboys nti ingam wahe na moni omboash ni niamad undu ulu Penya no nombosh ni karan asuno ni niaman no mono baesh no wa hala hala Neno anami nenes no wa petikatin de shindira penasu aha Namaste.